Oh, so much heart behind the
That
play.
is a lot of heart.
Yeah, absolutely. And the Braves
What a
will
game.
be the Braves will be doing it again tonight against the Rockies. My question to you, Jonathan Myers, are we going to get rained out at the ballpark?
Well, here's the thing, Alexa. You see this right next to me.
I don't like to see the red graphics.
Weather alert.
Oh.
So there is a potential that there could be some rain and maybe even a thunderstorm with maybe even some delay of game. You see here into the afternoon, evening, all the green, the yellow, the orange on our futurecast. And yes, that means the next weather alert, not only for storms, but also for the potential of some heavy rain out of those storms. There will be some decreased coverage in the thunderstorms over the weekend. So that's some good news for your weekend plans, at least. Let's go ahead and open up the window and show you what's going on outside right now. Rather dark look at Midtown, and there's our chopper flying on by. Expect that as we head through the day today, we are going to get that risk of showers and storms. And here is why, because there's a cold front that's stalled right overhead. You can see the clouds and some of the leftover showers with it, mainly to the south of Atlanta right now. But those will bubble up from the Gulf and push back toward us into this afternoon. So there's a 1 of 4 risk of flooding here in North Georgia, and there is a 1 of 5 risk of potential severe weather. The biggest threat's going to be damaging winds as we head into this afternoon and this evening. Also, we've been tracking, if you've been following along, the tropics. Nothing close by, but I want to show you this out in the central portion of the Atlantic, actually now moving into the central western Atlantic. This is Dolly. Had winds at 45 miles an hour yesterday. Winds now at 40 miles an hour. And it will encounter some hostile conditions as it moves towards the Leeward and Windward Islands this weekend. But there could be some impact of heavy rain and some gusty winds and high seas as it does make that push. But really, that's the only name of the game out there, the only situation that's happening here in the tropics. So let's go ahead and take a look at the local weather. And for today, we're at 73 as you're starting the day in Atlanta. Temperatures in the 60s to near 70 north, and really just muggy 70s elsewhere. And that's going to be, again, kind of one of the things that you remember about today is temperatures just shy of 90, but we will have that higher humidity, and then the rain and storms pop for the afternoon. So I would have your rain gear ready. Again, that could be a threat for the Braves game as we head toward that first pitch at 7:15, about 2:30 when you're getting the kids. Some heavy rainers right here around the perimeter. And then it looks like into the afternoon and evening hour, still some of those reds and yellows across the area. That's not too far from Smyrna, where the game will be played at about 9 p.m. this evening. Next weather alert all day for today for the showers and thunderstorms, especially again afternoon time. We could have some of those heavy rainers. Next weather alert today, just shy of 90, breaking actually yesterday. 19 days in a row of 90 plus with a high of 89 yesterday. We'll do that again today, and then slimmer rain chances into the weekend. Big heat returns next week.